Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove a watermark on TikTok video. So as you know, if you directly save a video from TikTok by clicking on the share button and tap on the save video, there will be a watermark on the video. So this is what you are going to do if you want to not have a watermark. Now you can just click on the share button again, not click on the save video, but click on this copy link. After that, you can open the browser on your phone and then just find TikTok video download without a watermark, and in here you can see lots of options that you can select it. So for example, I'm going to just use this ones right here. Now you can just paste the URL or the TikTok video link in the box, tap on download. Why it is error? Let's try another one. Let's try this one, Snaptic. You can paste the link again and tap on download. Okay, so as you guys can see, you can just tap on download and just wait until the video is fully downloaded, and you can see the result after. Okay, so now the video is downloaded. I'm going to open it on my gallery here. Let's go to the video, and this is the video will look like. Okay, as you guys can see, there will be no watermark on the video. It's so easy. So don't forget to try. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.